How to make moving text in CapCut PC. So in this video, I'll show you how to make your text scroll either to the left or to the right. Now first just go and load up your CapCut project, click on text at the top of the page, and then go and drag the default text into the timeline like this. You can then go and add all of your text into this text box here. Now what you need to do is scroll down the page until you see background and click on this. Make sure background is turned on and then just go and select a color. So I'm going to set mine to red like this. Now you don't have to add a background, but I'm just going to show you how this works. So I'm going to select this second option for my background, and then you need to reposition your text right to the bottom of the page. Now you also need to position your text all the way over to the left hand side and make sure the beginning of your text is all the way over to the left like this. Now obviously you can scroll up and you can change all of the different fonts and colors for your text as well. Now to go and make the text move, we need to move the playhead to the very beginning of the timeline. You can then scroll down to position and press the add keyframe button. Now move your playhead to the very end of the text layer. You can also go and expand this if you want the text to stay on the screen for longer. Now once you've positioned the playhead at the end of the text layer, you then need to go and move the text all the way over to the right hand side now. So once it's positioned all the way over to the left like this, it should automatically create the second keyframe. So now what we can do is go and play this video back, and as you can see, we now have moving text. So you can basically use these keyframes to go and move the text on your CapCut video.